everyone, and I'm here. Today we are doing a Sephora haul. Yay! Prior to us being on lockdown here in Toronto because of coronavirus, I did make a couple of trips to Sephora, and so the bags were kind of just sitting at my makeup desk and I hadn't touched them. I don't know why. And I was like, hey, let's just go through my haul together. And it gave me a chance to take a look at things I bought, and now we can talk about them here. If you enjoy these types of videos, Sephora hauls, beauty hauls, please give this video a thumbs up. That way I know that you like them and I can do them more often. And comment down below if there are any products that you're interested in trying or that you have tried. I'd love to know. A lot of the items I'm going to mention today are new to me. I probably haven't used them before, and so I'm really excited to dive in. And if you've tried them, let me know what you thought of them. I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel here. One of my goals this year is to grow my YouTube channel a bit more here and create more fun videos for you guys. So I would love for you to join my community over here. Without further ado, let's just jump right into the video. The first item I'm going to talk about are the Lily lashes. I have heard about Lily lashes for so long. I believe that initially you could probably only purchase from their own website, but now Sephora carries them, at least here in Canada. They don't carry probably all of them, but they have a selection that you can choose from, and I picked diamonds. They definitely look glam and will give your eyes a nice pop, but it's not crazy drama, and this is the kind of lash that I really like to use. These are a light mink, and of course you get one pair, and I don't think it comes with glue or anything. It's just the lashes themselves. But because I'd heard so many YouTubers and Instagrammers talk about them in the past, I really wanted to give it a try. And lately I've been using a lot of drugstore lashes, which are totally fine. I love the Quo ones, which are available here in Canada, but I also love the Kiss lashes. I think they're great, and you can get them for such a good price and like a nice set of a bunch of them. But the Lily lashes I'd heard a lot about, and finally I was like, let's just give it a go. I didn't even know what type to try, so I just picked diamonds, and luckily when it arrived I was like, yeah, this is my kind of lash. The next item I'm going to talk about is this Bobbi Brown Longwear gel eyeliner, and I actually got one sent to me back in September or October, and I loved it so much. I thought it was like the perfect gel eyeliner, especially if you want to get a nice like wing with a brush. I really loved it, and I like using gel eyeliner with a brush even sometimes to smoke out my eyeliner, so it kind of looks like a smoky like shadow situation. But I lost it. I don't know where. I must have traveled with it. I actually bought it again. I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna find it, I'm just gonna buy it again. And it is the black one. I really love it. I just use any typical eyeliner brush with it, and it works really well. It glides on so smoothly. All right, so the next two items are also repurchases. This is the Smashbox Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer, and I have used the Smashbox primers for ever, at least I would say like 3-ish years. I really like them. They're great for normal skin, which is what I have, and they have different varieties too. So if you are more on the oily side, combination, whatever it is, acne prone, they have a whole range of primers. I find this primer to be like one of the best. I feel like whenever I use this and I put foundation or concealer on top, it really just locks everything into place, and honestly I'm just really happy to have this back in my collection. The next item is this Glam Glow Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment, and it's the blue one. If you ever go check out the Glam Glow section, I always buy like the little tub. Like I believe this is probably the smallest size and the cheapest, but I find a little bit goes a long way. So you can see inside, that's the product. It smells so good. It has like a coconut hint to it. But whenever I apply this, I apply it with like a skincare kind of brush that I have that I use for masks, and a little bit goes a long way. This is a repurchase. I did run out of my last one, and I used it quite a bit prior to having a baby, so I would say maybe like a year and a half ago. I was really obsessed with this one, and then when I had my baby, my skin was just crazy. Like I had to use a whole bunch of new products and things to see what would work for my skin. But now that I feel like my skin is finally like more or less back to the way it used to be, I'm starting to incorporate some of this some of those older products again. So I was really excited to pick this up again, and hey, I'll probably even do it tonight. So this next purchase I got so lucky with. It was in January, and I believe they had like the holiday kit for it. So I bought it in like this beautiful set. It is the Olaplex treatment. I can't even hold them all at one place, like all 4 products. Because I am blonde at the ends and like sort of up here right now, my hair is just totally grown out and the color's grown out, and I actually had a hair appointment in March that I had to cancel because of this lockdown. It is what it is, but whenever I used to go see my hairstylist, she would do the Olaplex treatment on me, and it was kind of like every other time because you don't want to do too much either. It is a very strong treatment, and I had asked her if there's something that I can buy at home just to do the upkeep and maintenance, because your hair does get damaged and the color starts to fade and stuff. So she's the one who actually told me that Sephora actually carries Olaplex now and I should look into it. But now that I can't really go and get my hair done, I'm really tempted to try it. And if any of you are familiar with Olaplex or how I should use it, anything like that, I would love for you to tell me in the comments down below, because I am so new to it, in the sense that like new to it doing it by myself. My hairstylist has always done it for me in the past, but this is basically the whole kit. So the first thing you do is the Olaplex Hair Perfector. This is number 3. It repairs and strengthens all hair type. And these are like the small bottles, I guess. I'm sure they have like bigger bottles, but these are all 100 ml. So you start the treatment with this, and then you have your number 4 and number 5, which are the Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Bond Maintenance Conditioner. So these are the 2 I'm really excited about. Then lastly, it's the Olaplex number 6. This is the Bond Smoother, and this is kind of like your leave-in styling cream. So you can do this after you wash your hair and you just kind of like have it wet and stuff. If you have used them, please comment down below. Let me know what you think. Are they worth it? Not worth it? Are they good? Bad? I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna give those a try very soon. The next few products I'm going to mention are things I got in PR, and I always like to include them in my Sephora haul, because if you are looking to purchase things from Sephora, I'd rather have them all in one place, and so you can kind of see what's either new or upcoming, as well as things that I either repurchased or was really excited to try and bought for myself. So I just like compiling it all in one video. I was really excited when this showed up at my doorstep. I have never tried anything from Ole Henriksen before. I believe that's how you say it. So they sent me 3 different items. This is the Ole Henriksen Glow 2 OH Dark Spot Toner, and I believe at nighttime you can just take a cotton pad and apply this in circular motion all over your face, and the idea is that it's supposed to even out your skin tone. It's like a toner. I've never tried it before, but I'm really excited to give it a go. The next item they sent me is the Fat Like PHAT Glow Facial, and this one, it says it's a mask. You apply an even layer to clean dry face and massage it until it transforms from pink to white. So cool. Leave it on for 15 minutes, remove with a damp washcloth, and you can use it 2 times per week, day or nighttime. So I'm excited about this as well. I like that it's a pump. It's gonna be really easy to apply and have like an even consistency throughout your face. Lastly, from Ole Henriksen is this Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. So this has vitamin C and Rose of Winter extract. Pretty self-explanatory, but this is basically a moisturizer that you can use on your face and neck in the morning and nighttime. I'm really excited about this one. I've been soaking in as much vitamin C as I can. So this one I'll definitely be using ASAP. Couple more things to wrap up this Sephora haul is number 1, Benefit Cosmetics sent me their latest blush, bronzer, and highlight palette. So I believe they create one pretty much every year, and I swear they just get better and better. I love these so much. I think they're so great for travel, to give as a gift. It looks like there are some newer additions on here, which I really like. So they have Dallas, which is like a bronzy blush. If you're really into like that bronzer color and you want to have that as a blush, which sometimes I really like, kind of like a monochromatic look, I think this is a great shade for that. They have their Hula bronzer, which is obviously ride or die for most of us. They have this Georgia blush, which is like a corally shimmery shade. This one is a new one. And then they have Sugar Bomb, which I've never used or seen before. I'm not sure if that's new. I'm assuming it's new, but it's kind of like a mixture of 4 different colors, and the idea is you swirl your blush brush and then you just go whip, and it should look really, really nice. And then they have their Cookie highlighter, which is literally like one of my favorite highlighters right now. It's like a gold, but not a tacky gold. It glides on so smoothly, and sometimes I find when I'm wearing highlighter, especially like a gold one, I find like sometimes it can be kind of blotchy. I don't find that with Cookie at all, and I apply it like everywhere, like my cheeks, my forehead a little, my nose, my chin, even my brow bone. It's a highlighter I really like, so I'm excited that these are the shades they chose to have for this year's cheek palette. Lastly, they also sent me over Georgia, which is the new blush that they have. As I mentioned, it's like a beautiful corally peach color, very, very shimmery. I have like a smaller one of it too, so they do come in multiple sizes if you're looking for something smaller, bigger. And yeah, that is the 2 new Benefit products that I'm really excited to try. There you have it. That concludes my haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of these products. Have you tried any of them? Especially the Olaplex. Please let me know. I'm in dire need of like giving my hair some love. I love how it's growing out, but when I touch it sometimes I definitely feel like it's like rough and needs some love. So I'm thinking of trying the Olaplex very, very soon. If you want a review on it, or if you're curious for yourself, let me know as well, and I can definitely do that for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye!